Meaning of incompatibility.
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 Incompatibility. The term incompatibility refers to a situation where two or more things are unable to exist or work together without causing problems. Incompatibility can arise in various contexts, such as in relationships, technologies, chemical reactions, or even ideas and values. The result of incompatibility can range from minor issues to severe consequences, including conflicts, breakdowns, failures, or even dangers. Incompatibility often requires careful analysis and resolution strategies to overcome or mitigate its effects, and it may also serve as an opportunity for innovation or transformation.